Alright, I'm at a place called Hagen Tractor Parts, which is basically like a wrecking yard for old tractor stuff. Ooh, look at this one. This looks like it got burnt. Boy, that got burnt to a crisp. Yes, it did. Looks like a fun toy. I didn't know tractors caught on fire that easy. Look at this. There's a bunch of burned out tractors. Weird. No idea. No idea. Such a fire hazard. Look at all these hydraulic bits. So the guy at the front desk said basically everything here is expensive. He said it looks like junk, but it's all expensive. Well, I'll keep that in mind. You want a nice clean Bobcat? Clean one owner? See, I think a radiator like this would look really cool in front of a hot rod. This place really does have it all. Wow. Got that antique tractor up there. Some heavy axles out here. I'll tell you what, this seems to be a better business than a regular scrapyard. This probably is a gold mine. Check out that old Dodge wagon up there. That's kind of cool. All these burned out hulls. Man, crispy. Huh, kind of interesting. Definitely kind of interesting. I bet that's an old caterpillar crawler, if I had to guess. That's an oldie. I'm glad I stopped in here. This is in Coweta, Oklahoma, I think. Broken Arrow or Coweta. There's all kinds of cool junk out here. I think if I'm gonna get into salvaging things, this is the way to go. These parts seem to be a lot more expensive than car parts, and probably a lot less available. And when you've got a tractor that's down, well, you gotta have the parts right away. Doesn't matter if it's $100 or $500, you gotta have it. Here's like a track system. So from an old crawler. Oh, they got. Huh. Very interesting. These guys may actually have something I want. If they have whatever's left over of a tracked vehicle, just the track part, the bottom part. Something like this here. This may actually interest me. Something like this, basically just the chassis. Yeah, interesting. Interesting place to check out. Lots of cool junk. Those look rather heavy. That Dodge is so cool though, I love it. Man, somebody would drive that as is if they could, for sure. Leave a comment if you know what kind of Dodge that is. I have no idea if that's a power wagon or I don't know what they call those things. Leave a comment if you know.